Sony has just announced the a7CR. What looks like a lightweight, compact APS-C camera is in fact a new full-frame camera from Sony. It has a 61 megapixel sensor inside, and it is many of the same internals as the very good a7R. I spent the morning shooting with this camera and I found image quality to be excellent, similar to the a7R5, along with great autofocus and tracking. You also get 7 stops of image stabilization, 4K at 60 frames per second, and new to the A7C lineup, dual dials for better manual control. On the back, we've got a fully articulating screen. No joystick, however, for choosing your focus points. You're going to need to touch the screen for that. The viewfinder resolution is upgraded from the A7C, but because of the small, flat style, I really find that sunlight can impact your viewing, and I recommend a third-party eye cup. It's going to cost $29.98. Pre-orders start very soon with shipping in late September.